Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2020 Chevrolet Camaro LS. This one has the 2.0 liter turbo pushing out 275 horsepower. It does actually feel a little bit more than that, but that's due to the added torque of the 2 liter. Really nice looking vehicle. Total price comes to $27,490. Only option this one has is the 8-speed automatic. Other than that, this is pretty much as they come. Hurry up. There's a plane that's landing above us, so I'm like, why don't we close the window? Yeah, there it goes. But yeah, let's go see what the base model Camaro is all about. 27 grand, you really can't go wrong at all. You can't complain. Still has a nice touchscreen unit, and it drives really well. And it doesn't sound half bad either. I've had a lot of fun driving this car. Really fun to drive. For under $30,000, this puts up a really good fight against the BRZ and the FRS. Well, the prior FRS, the GT86, or the 86 in America. There's so many names for those cars. I just basically say the BRZ FRS still, and people get what you're saying. Even the Miata is more expensive than this, and I think I would rather have this car over a Miata. Actually, we'll do one pull in automatic and another pull in manual. Not bad at all. This one here has been fitted with the 8-speed automatic, as stated before. But you can get a manual, and personally that's the way I'd go. Paddles are pretty responsive, believe it or not. The power band of this is actually quite down low, which we'll see here. almost all of the torque is between 3 and 5,000 RPM. There's no point to rev it on beyond that. Absolutely no point. It does sound really good. I prefer this over the V6, which is saying a lot. I definitely think this is a sweetheart of the lineup. Not sure if they do a 2.0 liter 1LE. That would be sick if they did that. I think I remember hearing they did. If so, that's a killer car. Absolutely phenomenal. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.